Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the Deity DLTX for use on a boom pole. Besides being a capable body pack transmitter, the Deity DLTX also makes for an excellent boom pole transmitter, thanks to its accessories and power modes. On the DLTX, enter the menu and scroll down to Level. Here, you can enable the phantom power required for shotgun microphones, such as the S-Mic 3. Click 48V and a restart will be prompted. Before you click Confirm, make sure any lavaliers you have attached are removed. If you don't, you'll end up with an overloaded and very broken lavalier. Go ahead and press Confirm, and the device will restart in this new power mode. Grab yourself the Theos Boom Pole Quick Release and attach it to the belt clip of the DLTX. Place the whole system on the end of your boom pole, and once you screw on the shock mount, the tension will keep everything in place. The DLTX uses a 3-pin LEMO connection, so to connect an XLR mic, you'll have to pick up the Deity L3 link. Secure both connections, neaten up the cable, and adjust your gain as needed. With that, you're ready to get recording. Happy shooting.